friends, it's Miss Erin.
I'm Miss Stephanie.
And today, we thought it'd be fun to make some cloud dough with my friends.
Yay!
So, now that we're in the season of spring, we're going to see a lot more clouds and a lot more rain. So let's make some cloud dough. You could do this at home with your family, or you can watch us do it. So what you'll need is 2 cups of flour and 1/4 cup of oil.
And for fun, if you want, if you have around the house, maybe some stencils like animal cookie cutouts or just some shapes that my friends love to see, like stars and hearts to add.
Okay, so we're going to roll up our sleeves. Now, in our big mixing bowl, cup of flour. Alright, and we'll put another cup of flour. And now we can put the oil in. And I thought it'd be fun to add some glitter, some sprinkles for my friends into our cloud dough. So now that we have all of our ingredients in the mixing bowl, let's mix it together. Alright, friends. Mix, 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 mix. Stir it all around. Mix the oil with the flour. How does it feel? Is it soft? Is it squishy? Is it gray and white like the clouds in the sky? Alright, friends, now we have some cloud dough. You can take it and squish it together and make a little ball. I'm going to make a ball. There's a little ball. And we can add in our stencils now. Stephanie, would you like to add in our stencils?
Yeah, I'll add a heart.
Here's a heart.
A star.
A star.
Maybe the moon.
You can cover your moon and stars, your shapes, and mix it up. You can find it in your dough. Or if you have some animals you want to put in there, or some cookie cutters. I have an elephant here. So you see the elephant? Boop. Make a little boop. And then you can crumble it up in your fingers. And it feels so soft and smooth. And yeah. Alright, friends. My hands are all dirty with cloud dough. I'm gonna go wash up. And you could try this at home too, or you can watch the video again. Thank you, friends.
Bye.